Hello all, welcome to the Cloud DevOps Guru channel. Today we are going to discuss about the how to install the Terraform and how to install some prerequisites softwares in our Windows machine for practice the Terraform, which will help us to practice the Terraform. Okay, now for practicing the Terraform, we required the Terraform software in the our machine. Second, we required the Visual Studio code for write the Terraform. Uh, Visual Studio Code will help us to write the Terraform, and it will give some support to while writing the Terraform code, and it will give the some basic syntax checking, and also it will give some help while writing our code. Third, we need the Git Bash for Windows. Then we require the cloud account. You can use any cloud account for practice. I am using here the AWS cloud account. You can take the any cloud account and you can practice the concepts with that cloud account. Just way of writing will be changed. There is concepts are not changed. Concepts are the same across all the providers. Just how we can write the resources, how we can write the data sources. So these means way of writing is the change, but concepts are the same for the all the cloud environments. So you can take any cloud account and you can install the Terraform, you can install the Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code, you can install the bash, git bash. That's it. And you are ready to practice the Terraform. So let's see how we can install the first of all these three things in the Windows machine. So in the Windows machine, first of all you have to install the Chocolatey. So how to install the Chocolatey, that in the previous sessions I have already discussed while how to manage the packages in the Linux session. Okay, if you don't know, just you can search how to install the Chocolatey in the Windows. So it gives the some steps. You can just copy paste these commands in your Windows and you are ready to work with the Choco commands. Okay, just you can do these steps. Okay, so I already installed the Choco. So open your terminal with the administrator access. Just right click on the terminal, run as administrator. So it will give the administrator access to you. So now here, for example, you wanted to install any package in the Windows. How we can do if I wanted to install the VLC player, or if I wanted to install the Chrome browser. So just we can download the .exe file and we can double click on that and we can press the next. But when we are working in the DevOps, most of the times we will not get the UI environment. So we have to work in the command prompt. So in that time, these Choco commands are helpful us. Okay. Now just you can search here Choco install Terraform. So it will give the command for us how to install the Terraform using the Chocolatey. Okay, just come down here. Here you can see we can install the Chocolatey using the Choco install Terraform. Okay, so if you are already installed, so you can upgrade it or uninstall it. So based on the command, you can just copy paste that command. I know that command, because of that I am directly running the command here. Choco install Terraform. I already installed the Terraform. Because of that, it is showing the, you can see, already installed. Here you can see. If you are saying already installed, just after install your Terraform, just you can check the Terraform hyphen version. So if you are able to get the Terraform version, then it's good to go. You are already, means it is installed. So if you wanted to upgrade the Terraform, if you are already have, so just you can use this command Chaco upgrade Terraform. So now I already have the already installed the Terraform. Just I wanted to upgrade. So now you can see my version is the 1.2.4, but current version is the 1.9.1. Okay. Now Terraform, no, Chaco upgrade Terraform. So now you can see it is upgrading my Terraform. You have Terraform version 1.2.4 installed. Version 1.9 is available based on your source. Okay. If you wanted to install, if you wanted to upgrade, you can press the S. So now you can check the Terraform version. So it will show the Terraform version in the your server. So now you can see my Terraform version is the 1.9. It is the current version of the Terraform. So in that way, so you have to search here the how to install the Visual Studio Code. How to install, no, Choco install Visual Studio Code. Studio Code. So it will give the command, Choco command. Just you can copy paste into your terminal. So just you can copy paste this one. So it's ready to install. So now here you can see based on that, for installing the Terraform, Choco install Terraform. Choco install Visual Studio Code. And for installing the Git bash, Choco install Git bash. So now this is the command. So this command you can run into your terminal and you get these softwares. Okay. Once you install that, so just you can check the version. Okay. Once you install these all the softwares, you can create the one any cloud account and you are ready to practice the Terraform. So that's it from my end today. So just I wanted to show you how to set up the environment and prerequisite softwares. Just you can install these all the softwares and be ready for the practice from the next session. Thank you.